Guys, today is my off. I just roaming around here at Blora and going to LC Waikiki to see some clothes there if I like to buy. I already ate my lunch there in KFC. Yeah. I ate only one yum, burger yum, fries and Pepsi, but it's so very expensive. It costs €7, but I enjoyed it, and it's my treat to myself because it's my off day today. So I'm going there at LC Waikiki, and let's enjoy, guys. Very beautiful here during daytime, and also we can appreciate also during nighttime because a lot of people here walking. It's summer season here in Blora, in Albania, until August, I think, last week. I want to cross the road here. Very beautiful here. Later I will be along the seashore there because I will be going home night, maybe 7 or 8 p.m. tonight. I'm coming at LC Waikiki. One of the tourist destination of some foreigner here in Europe. Here is Albania, especially Blora, because it's along the seashore. A lot of beaches, beautiful. Also summer destination of most of the people here in Albania. We're going inside at LC Waikiki. Later I will buy corn, the grilled corn. I will eat grilled corn later. So look, guys, 5 p.m. this afternoon. It's so very hot. The sun still shining. I'm just looking for clothes for my new wearing again, but I cannot see the clothes that fit it to me. I already go out from the LC Waikiki, and then I will find over there some of the shop that sells the clothes I wanna say there. Very hot this afternoon. I buy corn, the grilled corn, because I miss to it. I always eat this from the Philippines. They're in the Philippines. So very hot here. I hope I could find over there because I saw the shop last night there. The monument. I don't know what is the name of the monument. Oh, it's a Bolletini. 1864, 1960. This is Vlora. Oh, Vlora. Very nice, Vlora. I will buy first water. I'm here again, guys. Nearly at the seashore. It's very sunny day here in Vlora. It's my off today. That's why I am here. So we will go there. We will go there, and then I will take and continue this taking of the juice. So very sunny day. It's sunny day. I will find some bench or chair or sit. Oh my God, what is my pronunciation? It's shiny, shining. Oh, I like it. What is that kind of ship? Very big ship. Is that a cruise ship? A passenger ship?